Hey guys, welcome here back to Gadgets Daily. Today's discussion is all about Redmi Note 10, which is officially teased to launch in this month, so without wasting time and let's get started. Redmi Note 10 takes the champion legacy of the Redmi Note series to a whole new level by strengthening the already existing all-round performance with a 16.33 cm, 6.43 Super AMOLED display, 48MP quad camera, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the Redmi Note 10. Protects the device from accidental drops and unwanted scratches. You can see Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 processor, Adreno 612 GPU and a massive 5000 mAh. Battery supported by 33 watts fast charger, so the phone will fully charged only in 60 minutes, so this is really crazy. No. The all-new Evolution design brings a radical change in the design language as the phone comes in stunning new colors like aqua green, frost white and shadow black. The device is fitted with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor with double-tap gestures for easy access. Redmi Note 10 is equipped with a 3.54mm tiny punch hole in display selfie camera, which gives you stunning selfies. As per RAM and ROM here to variant 4GB plus 64GB and other 6GB plus 128GB. Price range will be slightly different for both variant. For price, launch date, detailed specifications, click link in description box. In next video we will see Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max detailed information, so see you in next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.